Welcome to Milo's Reviews, where the reviews are score. Today's review is over another Gatorade flavor, another colorful one. Gatorade Fierce Melon. That's it. Not watermelon, just melon. Alright, here we go. Kind of a weirdest reddish orange kind of color. Alright, here we go. It's pretty good. Tastes just like a watermelon Starburst. That's what it tastes like right there. Yep, just like a watermelon Starburst. That's pretty good. I like it. Really sweet. Oh yeah. Whatever. Anyway, that's it for today. Just remember, whatever you do, keep it hardcore.